Tuesday. So, mag-aasikaso na naman tayo ng breakfast and lunch. So, day 2 of pre-K ni Troy. Ayan, si Daddy. Nasa, ano siya ngayon? Meron siyang surgery today. So, ang nagdala sa kanya sa hospital is yung mama niya para maasikaso ko yung mga bata, mahatid ko sila sa school. But after mahatid ko sila sa school, kami ni Natalia, didiretso na kami sa hospital para ako yung magsaswap kami ng mother-in-law ko. And then yung asawa ko, meron siyang hernia surgery, yung dito sa may belly button natin na parang like lumalaki siya. So yun yung surgery niya ngayon is ang hernia ang pangalan, ang tawag dyan. But anyways, kwento ko na lang sa inyo more later. Mag-make muna ako ng breakfast because it is late already. Magagawa na lang ako ng pancake kasi wala na akong ibang maisip na nalutuin na easy. Pancake na lang. And gagawa pa ako ng lunch nila. So if you guys wanna know kung okay na ako, yes, I'm okay na. Hindi ko na natapos yung vlog kagabi dahil sobrang pagod ko guys kahapon. As in, nag-practice, umiyak ng bonggang-bongga kahapon. Tapos, as in wala kaming ginawa ni Natalia kahapon. As in, nagmuni-muni lang kami kasi sobrang, yung feel, it's really weird na wala kang maririnig na away, na sigawan. As in, ang tahimik kagahapon. Dahil si Natalia na lang yung baby natin sa bahay. So, sobrang tahimik talaga siya kagahapon. As in, kaya mas lalo akong maluloka next year. I know, lagi kong sinasabi about next year, ganyan-ganyan. Kailangan kong mag-stop. But I can't help it na hindi siya isipin. Ano yun? Dahil ang bilis-bilis ng panahon ngayon, as in, kaya sobrang naaano talaga ako. Ayan, so magluluto muna ako ng breakfast nila and then I'll make some lunches nila also. Sobrang busy ngayong week na to kasi hindi pa natin nakukuha yung ating maayos na routine. Kaya busy. Lagi. Every morning, ganito ako. Natataranta. Hindi alam ko anong unang gagawin. Breakfast pa o lunch, ganyan. But, anyways. Lulutuin ko lang yung pancake. So, ayan guys. So, naglagay ako ng sausage para mayroon silang some kind of protein sa kanilang breakfast. This will be ready soon. And then naglagay na rin ako dito ng sa air fryer ng nuggets. Ang gusto ni Chad na lunch sana is grilled cheese, pero wala na tayong time mag grilled cheese. Kaya nuggets na lang. Lalagay ko sila dito sa aking container na nabili sa sa TikTok shop. Ayan. Lagay natin dito. Lalagyan natin ng mainit na tubig para magstay na mainit yung kanilang nuggets. Say good morning!
Good morning. Good morning.
Good job.
Sissy barely touched her food.
Oh, you need to eat because you're gonna go with me today to drop off Troy to school.
Yay!
So you need to eat. All right, eat up.
But me and Kit are.
I'm gonna drop you guys off, all of you, to school today. You're not riding the bus, and I'm picking you guys up too. Okay.
Okay.
Like as you can see, guys, sobrang messy ng table natin.
What about Sissy?
Sissy, she's going with me. She's not going to school, so. All right, come on, let's go.
Next year.
Huh?
You said next year.
Yeah, next year. Alright, try your sausage, Sissy.
But I don't
See, right here. Take a bite. Okay, fine. Alright. Eat up. Come on, let's go. So guys, ito na yung kanilang lunch. It's nuggets. Ayan, nakalagay na yung dalawa. Ayan.
Oh, wait.
So I put a hot water in this one first.
Can I feel?
Yeah, nilagyan ko siya ng hot water to make sure na mainit yung thermos. And then, yan. So ayan ang kanilang lunch. Popcorn, basta popcorn cheese, watermelon, and
Good.
some
All good for a tasty snack.
Alright. Close it.
So no flies get in.
Close it. Ready to go.
Dodge.
So everyone's ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Troy, you ready for your second day of pre-K?
It's our 5th day.
Yeah. Kuya, you ready?
Yes.
Caleb.
Yes.
So, let's go guys dahil 7:06 na and yeah, medyo ano tayo. Akala ko pa naman I have plenty of time pero wala pa rin talaga naman, oo. So, we definitely need to start waking up early and para talagang makuha natin yung ating good routine. Makakaloka. But anyways, we're gonna go to the school now and then diretso na tayo after sa hospital. So, let's go to school. Ayan, dito na kami sa school. Alright, let's go. Yeah, sa bus.
Thank you for holding my backpack.
I got your backpack, dude. But next time tomorrow you're gonna carry your backpack by yourself, huh? Oh. Go.
My glasses.
Okay, well that way over there. Go. Here, Troy. What do you do as soon as you get to your class? So, ayan, na-drop off na namin si Troy and Kuyas. Where's our car, Sissy? Where's our car? Right there, the nasty car. Alright, come on, let's go in. Come on. Here's Daddy, guys. Daddy's out of surgery na. How you feeling, mister?
Good.
Good.
Painful.
Painful. Yeah, meron siyang Coca-Cola and crackers. Do you want crackers?
Yeah, I got you drove the house on my kid.
Yeah. Do you want crackers?
Sure.
All of it? So So we are home, guys. So hindi ko na kayo na-update, ano. Outpatient lang si Daddy. So kaya nakauwi na kami agad. So dito siya nagro-rest. Ito yung si Kikit. Ayan, resting. So guys, dito ko ngayon sa sa pharmacy, kinukuha yung medicine ni Daddy. Ay, kalabaw nahulog ang tuloy. Ayan. So, yeah, dito tayo ngayon sa pharmacy. Thank you. Thank you. Let's go. So now guys, bibili naman tayo ng ating lunch dahil 12:35 na. I'm so tired. Sobrang busy ko today. Simula ng hinatid ko yung mga bata. Since simula ng naggumising ako, I've been busy. Like crazy. Hindi ako, nakaupo lang ako siguro about 20 minutes sa upuan ko. And after that, wala na. So, after this, I'm gonna go to school and pick up my babies. So, dahil dahil malapit na rin naman yung pick-upan sa kanila. So, pipick upin natin sila sa school after ko ng lunch dahil nagugutom ako, wala akong breakfast, coffee lang yung ininom ko guys, as in coffee lang, kaya we're gonna get some lunch. I'm so hungry. Treat ko for myself. Wow, with all of this chaotic na natin ngayon. So we're gonna get some Chick-fil-A. So, let's go get some lunch. So, ayan guys. Kumuha ako ng milkshake. Chocolate milkshake pala. Hindi ko dala yung aking na naman. Kaya, baka may matumba na naman to sa cellphone ko. So, it is 12:49 na. So, we still have a little bit of time para kumain. So dito na lang ako sa parking kakain. So kain tayo guys. We have fries. Oh my gosh, ang init pa. And then I got some chicken nuggets. Ayan. Ito siya. Chicken nuggets. And a bunch of ketchup. Dahil mahilig ako sa ketchup, so kailangan natin ng maraming ketchup. And then itong ating special na I am so hungry. So kain tayo guys. As in, I'm so tired. Hindi nyo lang talaga alam kung gaano ang pagod ko today guys, dahil talagang hinatid ng mother-in-law ko yung asawa ko sa natapon na cellphone. So ayan. So hinatid ng aking asawa ang aking ng mother-in-law ko sa hospital about 5:15, 5:20. Kasi kailangan niya sa hospital ng 5:45 and siya na yung naghatid kasi nga aasikasuhin ko pa yung mga bata. So and gusto ko kasi siyempre second day pa lang ni Troy ngayon sa pre-K, gusto ko ihatid ko siya. So but tomorrow ipapatry natin siya mag-ride ng bus tomorrow. Kasi kasama naman niya yung dalawa niyang kuya. So, kaya, ipapaano natin. Tingnan natin kung kaya nilang alagaan si Troy. But ngayon, ipipick up natin sila. Yung ano pala, yung surgery pala ng aking Josawa is hernia. Yung kaninang sinabi ko sa inyo. Yung sa may ano ng kanyang belly button. Yung sa may pusod. I-search nyo na lang kung ano yung hernia. Diyos ko. Hindi ko na explain. And right now, he's in painful. Dahil masakit daw kasi nga yun yung pinaka-tender ng part ng katawan natin, diba? So, yung sa may butas ng di naman talaga totally nasa butas siya ng ating pusod. So, yeah. So, yun yung kanyang So, he might be out of work for 2 weeks. Kasi 2 weeks daw talaga yung recovery nun. He can't move, he can't hindi siya pwedeng magbuhat ng anything na mabigat. Especially yung mga bata, oh my gosh. Kaya inaano nila na 2 weeks kang kailangan na naka-off. Kasi nga hindi ka pwedeng gumawa ng mga lifting, mga ganyan. So, yeah. So, I'm pretty much doing everything. Well, ako naman talaga lahat gumagawa. And wala namang issue dun. So, yeah. So, yun. So, sa bahay na siya ngayon, nagre-recovery. And, nasa chair siya ngayon. So, hopefully, he will, recover fast. Parang, sabi ko nga sa kanya, para siyang, na cesarean. Kasi ganun yung feeling niya ngayon daw. Para daw siyang nasisarian. And I can tell na parang nasisarian talaga siya. Dahil sa yung paglakad niya, as in talagang sobrang hirap siya. So, yun. So, kakain muna ako, guys. And then, we're gonna pick up the kids. And, actually, alis ako dito ng 1:30. And then, we'll get the kids. So, yeah. Enjoy ko muna tong moment na to. Minsan lang ako magka-moment. Si Natalia pala na, doon siya sa bahay ng lola niya. Dapat kasama ko siya sa pag-pick up kay Chad, Troy at Natalia. Pero dahil nga pinick up ko yung medicine na asawa ko, so sabi ko, hindi na lang. Next time na lang. So, yun. So, bite para sa inyo, guys. So good. So, dito na ako sa school, guys. At naka-line up na tayo. I'm so tired. Oh my gosh. Hi! Hi! How's...
Hi. It is hot.
Okay, get in. So, how was school?
Great.
Troy, how was school, Troy?
Good. It's great.
Great.
Yeah.
How does it feel picking up all 3 of you at school today?
It felt amazing.
It feels amazing.
But it's terrible being the
Because
oldest.
it was my birthday from last time.
It's
Ito naman.
terrible.
Why is it terrible?
It's terrible being the oldest.
It's not. It's really good being an oldest, dude. It's not terrible.
Well, the only thing that's great is that you.
So yan guys, bahay na kami. We're gonna go get Sissy.
Coming.
Because I want to.
So Troy, may medal. May medal si Troy pala guys.
Mommy.
May medal siya dahil birthday niya last week.
Mommy.
Show them your medal.
Ta-da!
Meron siyang happy birthday
Happy birthday!
medal. Kasi dahil nga yung nag-school siya is wala pa siya sa school. Kaya meron din siyang happy birthday card. Binigay ng teacher niya sa kanya. So meron tayong practice today guys. And tomorrow, I'm so tired. Sobrang busy ko ngayon. Especially, na na-surgery si asawa ko, kaya sobrang busy natin. And siya dapat yung magdadala sa kanila sa practice pag day off niya. But of course, we had to do it because hindi siya pwedeng gumalaw and everything. Ito yung dalawang to.
You witch.
Hey!
I'm a witch.
Quit calling your brother witch.
I call him whatever I want.
No?
Yeah.
Guys, andito na kami sa practice na naman.
Oh, quite good.
Just let Kuya Caleb sit down for just a little bit. Come here. Sit down beside me.
A wink, a wink, a wink.
Oh, itong dalawang to talaga.
A wink, a wink, a
Ang
wink.
ganda-ganda ng princess ko.
Try not listening.
Sama daw siya sa akin. Tapos manggugulo naman.
Can you get out?
Are you trying to rest, Caleb?
Mommy.
Alright, quit! Quit taking it off!
Oh,
Sissy.
What? How you doing? Good.
Push it up.
So, si Kuya Caleb, guys, doon na siya sa kanyang team. Ayan siya. Ayan si Kuya Caleb. May something happening doon sa doon. Mayroong nangyayari doon. We should go watch. Or me and Cici are gonna go watch over there in a little bit. Yeah, there's something happening over there.
Yeah, they pee.
So, yan na si Troy. Pa-practice na. Ay, nako. I'm so tired today, guys. Hindi nyo lang alam kung anong pagod ko. As in, nakatulog ako sa bahay pag uwi namin. Look, they're playing a game. Look at Troy. Sissy, watch your brother.
Hey, Mommy, Freya's time.
They're playing red light, green light. Na yung pero stop siya. Para siyang stop dance. Pero pagtatakbo yung kanilang
Now, time. My number again. Number 4. Number 4.
Tapos si Troy kamot ng buhok. Ulo. Ay.
Time for my rolling, guys. Number 1.
Tawa kasi ng tawa.
Number 2.
Galit na galit to. Galit na galit si Troy. Hey, Troy! It's alright! Gagalit si Troy.
Now it's time for my rolling.
Troy! Troy! Run faster!
Number 5. Number 5. Number 1, 2, 3.
Faster, run! Troy, fast! Run! Tingnan nyo guys, sinundo si Troy tsaka si Natalia ni Lola nila. Dahil na nagje-jebak daw si Troy, eh wala naman tayo ditong para I think yung bathroom na meron dito is pwede ka lang umihi pero hindi ka pwedeng mag pupo. So, ayan. So, minessage ko yung mother-in-law ko kung pwedeng sunduin sila dito para kasi baka mamaya meron pa kaming 30 minutes dito para kay Caleb. Kaya baka mamaya habang naghihintay kami dito hindi niya na mapigilan yung pupo niya Kaya pinasundo ko na para makapagpupo na siya. Kaya ayun. Si Natalia, bit-bit niya talaga yung chair niya
Did boy play?
Yes, he did play. Alright, we're done, guys. We're going home. And take a shower, go eat, and then we're going to bed. Oh my goodness. Let's go home.
I hit myself.
Did you play hard today? Ayan guys, bedtime na. Hey, did you guys say goodnight to Daddy?
Yeah, you carry.
Carry you?
Yeah. And Johnny.
Oh my goodness. Ugh. What in the world?
Unicorn.
Where is it?
Right there.
Then go get unicorn then. Mm.
Mommy.
Okay. Good night. Good night. Give me a kiss. Say good night, everybody.
Good night, baby.
Ayan. Good night. Go lay down now, please. Alright, no, Sissy, you better stay in your bed. Do not get up no more. Alright, good night. Say good night. Oi! Say good night. Troy, good night. Mwah, mwah, mwah.